Did physical problems affect the way that you performed on the field sobriety test when you were arrested for DWI? I can't believe the number of people who are either not questioned or inadequately questioned by the police before they do their field sobriety tests and then are told they failed them. Now, if you have any type of physical problem, that is, you have a diagnosed knee, ankle, hip problem, spinal problem, or even something like acid reflux that could cause you to blow high, those first tests would cause you to have difficulty performing the field sobriety tests properly. Regardless of that issue, it's extremely important that your lawyer knows that and that those issues are used in your trial. Now, law enforcement officers are supposed to ask a number of medical questions. Many times they don't get asked properly, or sometimes they're not asked at all, and people are then required to perform physical sobriety tests on the side of the road, the walk and turn, the one-legged stand, or blowing in the PBT. That's the preliminary breath test, the little roadside box. If you have acid reflux, you've been diagnosed with that, you're taking medication, that might actually cause you to blow high if you're burping up alcohol. It can also affect your test once you are arrested and then subjected to the test at the station. How do you get that information in without actually subpoenaing a doctor to be there? That can be extremely expensive. It can cost you thousands of dollars. What if your doctor is not in the town or county where you are arrested? It gets even more expensive and probably impossible. Well, there is an affidavit to be signed by a custodian of medical records. It's a common form that a lot of us use here in North Carolina. That is the way I get those records in and then allow you to testify to them and then use that information to hopefully win your case. Again, if you've done this for 30 years like I have, you learn a few things. And I have learned over and over again to investigate all my cases thoroughly and to think of every single way I can help my clients so that we can win. God bless. I'm always here to help. Just pick up the phone, call, or text me.